blown away by the stunning designs and details of the Muslim fashion brand Wello we worked with. The way the fabrics flowed and the colors popped on my cameras was truly breathtaking. Wow.
Tani afegena bera ola otuuka wano then wetereze like ereza kino ekintu ala wengenda ofunira some kind of
This shoot was more than just a fashion project. To me, it was a celebration of Muslim culture and heritage. I felt honored to be part of it and to help share the beauty of Islam with fashion, a wider range of audience. You're going to enjoy this.
Good? Good bio? Yes. Then no turning now. Then after you're going to come. Otuke wano. Then you walk. Oje wano so you didn't want to turning out to do what. Stop. Good. You are sitting on the edge. Kusonda wano wansi naye ku edge totulayo lwena kabino kuza gwejangodde wano naye mu pose kugulu kumuku totula nnyo. Okay, nawe omutwe gugenda beerere. So yes, towards me. Stop. How? Kutambulirawo. You come. That show them really one way. Then when we are now otambulirawo obadde oyimiridde obadde otudde. Okay, so kujjangu 1 2 3 4 we go. Stop. Good.
Everything I do is so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Then no matter.
I'll never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Kuzinga ngaye segera towunzika bulungi omala oteekayo bwositeni amaaso olunogazeni kamera kitegeeza olina okugaliko nekyokusobola
To the team that we worked with was incredibly talented and creative. From the designers to the models, everyone brought their A game and helped create something truly special. I am so grateful to have had the opportunity to work on this project. It was a true collaboration and learned so much from the team. I am excited to share the final video with you all.
Chukirao. Good. Soko sigarao. Tukolemu omulundi gumu. Okay, mbamazeeyo.